Yeah, I know. I have mixed feelings about this. But anyway, today we're gonna make an interesting pizza. It's still gonna be a cauliflower crust pizza, but we're gonna make a cheeseburger pizza. But like a healthy cheeseburger, not like super healthy, just health conscious cheeseburger pizza. So anyway, let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to get my ground beef going. Because what's a cheeseburger pizza without burger meat? So I have here some 93.7 ground beef, and I'm gonna let this go for just a few minutes. Give this a little bit of a head start. And I want to do that before I add my seasonings. All right, gave it a little bit of a head start. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. All right, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, and we're gonna let this go until it's brown all the way through. All right, ground beef is done. Let's set this off to the side, and let's go ahead and make our sauce for this pizza. All right, so this is going to be a very basic burger sauce, and I'm basically, any videos of me making like the burger sliders and whatnot, same sauce basically. So I have here about a quarter cup of olive oil mayo, 2 tablespoons of no sugar added ketchup, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, about a half teaspoon of W sauce. And then I was debating on whether or not to put it on before or after, but we're gonna actually put it in the sauce. But I got about 2 tablespoons worth of diced pickles here. Okay, and give that a good stir. And voila, burger sauce. So, we have our burger sauce, we have our ground beef, we have our crust made. I'm also going to dice a tomato and dice an onion. All right, so burger meat, crust, sauce, diced onions and tomatoes, cheese, and then once it's done, we'll throw some sesame seeds on it because why not? All right, so first thing, sauce. Now I hope that this sauce doesn't completely destroy the pizza. It may not look great, but it should still be pretty solid. Okay, next we're gonna add some of our diced onion, and then we're gonna add some of our ground beef. Okay, and then some mozzarella cheese. And normally most burger pizzas do cheddar cheese, but instead I still want that saltiness, but I don't want the calories. So we're gonna add a little bit of shredded Parmesan. All right, so I think I'm going to put the tomatoes on after it's done, and then we'll drizzle a little bit of sauce on it too. But to the pizza oven we go. All right, I was gonna put more sauce on it, but I think I'm going to refrain from that. But we're gonna go ahead and add some of our diced tomatoes and some of our sesame seeds. All right, so I changed my mind. I tried to drizzle a little bit of sauce. It's kind of difficult with the pickles on it, but I'm very excited. Let's try this out. All right, I am so excited about this pizza. Already cut it. Look at that. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, it does need a little bit more sauce since the sauce is cooked into the crust. But holy crap. Maybe if you want to, add some more pickles to it. But it's got a little bit of tartness in the sauce already from the other pickles. The tomatoes kind of help give it some acidity anyway. The onions are cooked perfectly. This tastes like a backyard cheese, like you went outside, grilled up some burgers, and had yourself a day. Like this is fantastic. And the best part is, I basically turned, lack of a better terms, an unhealthy pizza into a not healthier pizza, but a slightly better alternative to a pretty solid pizza. But this is bueno. Well guys, there you have it. A healthy cheeseburger pizza from the OONI Pizza Oven. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one.